Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. So guys, welcome back. I'm gonna put vector link in my description, you can check from there. Let's lock the background. Okay, firstly let's change the pan behind. Let's start with hair back, go to solo and select the pan behind. Let's move it to here. Okay, and go to the neck, move here. Okay, go to the body and move like this, and head, let's move to down, and select the microphone, let's move it to here. Let's see it. Okay, nice. And now let's select these eyes, nose, mouth, hair front, headset, and link to the head. And select this microphone, let's link to headset. Let's see. Okay, let's link hair back as well. Let's see now. Okay, nice. And I have a lips animation here, I'm gonna use it for my mouse animation. Let's move it to here and change the scale. Let's see it. Let's close the mouse. Okay, and let's duplicate it and move to the right. Let's see now. Okay, nice. Now let's select his lips and link to the head. Let's see. Nice. And now let's give animation to our head. Press R and hold shift, press P. Let's make keyframes for both of them and go to 10 keyframe with holding shift and page down. Let's click here and remove the rotation keyframe. Let's change it to 4 and go to the center. Let's select the position and move it to the down. Let's select the keyframes and make it easy. Let's see. Nice. Now copy them and go to here and paste. Okay, select this last rotation keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And go to here and let's change it to -5. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's copy it again and go to here. And select this keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And go to here again, let's change it to 0. And let's copy it again. Go to here and select this keyframe, Ctrl V, here change it to -5. Let's do it one more time, Ctrl C and go to here, Ctrl V. Select this keyframe and Ctrl V here and let's make it 0. Let's see. Okay, nice. And now let's select our hair back, press R, make rotation keyframe, go to 10 keyframe with holding shift and page down. Let's change it -3. Select the keyframes and make it easy. Okay, now let's check it. Let's give the same animation to here as well. Let's select the hair back and press here, go to 10 keyframe and let's change it to 3. And go to here, press here and let's change it to 0 now. Let's check it. Okay, nice. And let's press here again for static keyframe and go here, let's change it to 3. And go to again here and make a static keyframe and change it to 0. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now let's select the eyes and go to here. Press S and make a scale keyframe and press here. Go to 3 keyframe, make it 20 and go one more time 3 keyframe and make it 100. Let's select the keyframes and make it easy. Let's see. Nice. Let's copy these keyframes and paste here, here, here and here. And now hold shift and press P. Let's make position keyframe. Go to here. Let's move it to here, like this. Let's select the keyframes and make it easy. Let's see. And press here to make it static. Go to here and move it to up. Let's check it. Nice. And make a static keyframe again. And select the first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V here. And go to here. Press it again. And move to down. Let's go to last second and make static keyframe again. And go here, select the first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's check it. Nice. Now let's select the microphone, press R, make rotation keyframe, go 6 keyframe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and change it to -8. Select the keyframes and make it easy. Nice, go to here now and change it to 5. Let's do it randomly animation for microphone. Okay, let's check it. Let's change it to -6. Let's check again. Or let's change it to 8. Nice, this one is more better. Now select this body too and link to body. Select this neck and link to body. And select this body, press R, make rotation keyframe, go to 10 keyframe and change it to 2. Let's select the keyframes and make it easy. And go to here, make static keyframe. Let's change it like -3. As you can see, there's some problem. Let's go to the first second, select this head and link to this neck. Let's see now. Okay, this one is more better. Make static keyframe again and change it to 0. Go to here. Let's do the same and change it to -2 and make static keyframe again and change it to 0. Let's see. Okay, let's select this body, hold shift and press P, make position keyframe, go to 10 keyframe and make static keyframe, go to the center and move to the down. Let's select the keyframes and make it easy for smooth animation. Let's select it and copy for all the rotation keyframes. Let's see it now. Okay, this one is more better. Let's select this mouse and delete because we don't need it, and press Ctrl A and U to close the all keyframes. Now let's select all these layers And let's pre-compose them. Woman. Duplicate this background. Let's move to the up and select this woman. Let's make it alpha matte the background too. Let's see. Okay, as you can see there is some problem, so we're gonna move it to down a little bit. Let's see now. Okay, this is good. By the way, if you don't see this section, you can press here. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel, leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.